What's up guys, Allan Builds here, and today I'll show you how to replace your cabin air filter. If you don't change your cabin air filter, the filter will become more clogged with dirt and debris, and the efficiency of the filter and your car's heating, ventilation, air conditioning system will be compromised. The air volume into your passenger compartment will be continually reduced, which will lead to the issue of foul odors inside your car. However, if your cabin air filter isn't that dirty, you can use the blower and blow the dust and dirt away, and I'll show you how. But before that, I'll show you first how to replace it. The first thing to do is to open the passenger side door and open the glove box. Just push this to remove, and the glove box will be open all the way. In order to open this cabin air filter cover, you have to push both tabs inwards together. Just like that. Just pull this cabin air filter out and put the new one in. Here is the new one. And Vero Shield cabin air filter. So let's put this in. And put back the cover back on. This tab and put back in. And then close the glove box. And I'll show you the old ones. Not that bad, but filter is inexpensive, so that's why I replace it. And I found bugs in it. Those are the bugs I found. As I promised, I'll show you how to blow this dirt and debris away. I'm having a hard time because my right hand holding the camera and the blower, my left hand holding the filter. I forget to tell you guys, this is Honda CRV 2014. If you found this helpful, please share, like, and consider subscribing, and hit that bell notification so you are the first one to get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks guys, and safe drive.